In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ManyChat tracking pixel. We'll walk through this together from inside your ManyChat account, and by the end, you'll know exactly where your tracking pixel lives and how to grab the code so you can install it on your website or landing pages. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. This is where ManyChat keeps all of the main navigation options. You should see items like dashboards, automation, audience, and so on. What you're looking for here is the settings option, which is represented by a small gear icon. Take a second to locate that gear on the sidebar and then click on it to open your account and workspace settings. When the settings page opens, you'll notice a list of different sections and configuration options. This is the control center for your ManyChat workspace. To find the tracking pixel, you don't need to change anything else here. You simply need to move down the page. Scroll all the way toward the bottom until you see a section labeled Extensions. Under this Extensions area, you should see an option called Pixel. Go ahead and click on the Pixel option. This will open the specific area where ManyChat provides your tracking pixel information. After the page loads, you'll see your ManyChat pixel code displayed. This code is what allows ManyChat to track events and activity on your website, such as page visits or actions tied to your automation flows. Take a moment to identify the full code snippet and then carefully copy it. Usually there's a button to copy the code to your clipboard in one click. Use that if it's available, just to avoid missing any part of the script. Once the code is copied, you're ready to install it wherever you need tracking. From here, you can paste that pixel code into the appropriate place on your website. In most cases, this will go into the header section of your site or into a tracking or custom code area provided by your website builder or tag manager. Make sure you only paste the code without editing anything inside it so it works correctly. And that's all you need to do to find and copy your ManyChat tracking pixel from inside your account.